So, hello and welcome to another video. So, yesterday DJI launched the Osmo Action 6 and guess what I've ordered? Let's check it out. So this is an unboxing video. I did get it from Amazon. That was the best deal I could find. A lot cheaper than DJI and a lot cheaper than say Curry's or that. So yeah, I'm just trying to think now. 25, 35, about £40 cheaper it was on Amazon than anywhere else. So there you are, the DJI Osmo Action 6 camera, action camera, and apparently it's supposed to be absolutely amazing. So let's get straight into it and have a look. DJI always make everything really awkward to open. That's it, it opens. It opens there like that. So we've got in the main box 3 different boxes. So let's have a look what we've actually got. So probably first of all in the big box we'll have a look at, and in there, let's carry on. So in here they always pack everything in these really tight awkward parcels to get in. So there we've got a charging case and we've got 2 batteries, and both them batteries at the moment are showing, looking that they are quite flat, so they'll have to go on charge. We've got all the other accessories here, so let's just cut these open and have a look what we've actually got. We've got a magnetic clip. I think we've got another magnetic clip here. Yep, so there's two of them. I think this is the 2 screws that go through there and actually fasten it onto your camera. I don't know where the actual nuts are to that, or how that works. I'll have to have it must be on this actual stick itself, I would say. And then we've got the charging lead, and we've got some little anti-slip pads there. So that's that box, and then this box, this has obviously got the actual camera itself. So let's have a look at this. And this is exciting. So let's cut this open like I've just done and have a look at that. Wow. So yeah, that looks really smart. They have done some design changes on that. It's got like a bigger lens and everything on it, and it's supposed to be absolutely fabulous. So lastly, we'll open this, and this is the actual stick. So let's just check this out. Like I say, always they're very awkward to get in. And yeah, there you are. There's the big pole. So very excited. We need to get a battery in this and get it set up. So I'll put one of the see what these batteries here are like. That's definitely different there to get in there. So you do that and push it up, and then there's something in there, like some of that anti-damp stuff. So let's get a battery. Let's pop a battery in there, close that down, and we'll power the unit up. Don't know whether that isn't coming on for some particular reason. Oh, it's coming on. So I will have to power this up now and obviously set it up and have a look. So yeah, there you are. So I will be bringing you now some test videos showing you how good this new product actually is. So look forward to that, and thanks for watching this unboxing video.